We are together. We are together. He hardly goes there. He hardly goes there. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. So that you could learn. So that you could learn. I was slightly surprised. I was slightly surprised. I rarely visit there. I rarely visit there. Literally, no one was shouting. Literally, no one was shouting. This is merely a formality. This is merely a formality. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. Obviously, he is lying. Obviously, he is lying. That is altogether wrong. That is altogether wrong. He did it deliberately. He did it deliberately. They said briefly. They said briefly. We searched everywhere. We searched everywhere. Usually I go to the office at 9 a.m. Usually I go to the office at 9 a.m. He was somewhat doubtful. He was somewhat doubtful. He is basically a nice man. He is basically a nice man. I am mainly trying to keep my balance. I am mainly trying to keep my balance. He drives roughly. He drives roughly. Air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. It is truly amazing. It is truly amazing. It will definitely rain. It will definitely rain. Fortunately, he passed. Fortunately, he passed. Sometimes I miss you. Sometimes I miss you. He often comes late. He often comes late. Share the cake equally. Share the cake equally. How to speak effectively. How to speak effectively. I literally had a heart attack when I heard the news. I literally had a heart attack when I heard the news. Hopefully you will understand. Hopefully you will understand. She went shopping elsewhere. She went shopping elsewhere. It happened suddenly. It happened suddenly. We will go anyway. We will go anyway. Unfortunately, he failed. Unfortunately, he failed. Therefore, I called you. Therefore, I called you. Anyone can speak English. Anyone can speak English. I was somewhat disappointed. I was somewhat disappointed. I am greatly impressed. I am greatly impressed. Initially, I was shocked. Initially, I was shocked. Do it gently. Do it gently. I watched the movie twice. I watched the movie twice. I am perfectly fine. I am perfectly fine. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.